How to turn off dark mode in YouTube in Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can turn off dark mode in YouTube in your Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your YouTube application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So in order to turn off dark mode, head towards your profile icon at the bottom right. Now head towards the settings icon at the top right. Now tap on General. Under General, you'll have an option as Appearance. You have to tap on it. Now from here, select Light Theme. And with that, now your dark mode is turned off in your Android device. And that's how you can turn off dark mode in YouTube in your Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.